Welcome. I'm so glad you're able to be with me today. I just wanted to show you a nail press-on set that I made for a Christmas present. Um, and it is not Christmas, but it is a set that someone can use year-round. I just wanted to share that with you. There is a butterfly on this side, and it's just really pretty how it turned out, and I wanted to share with you the different products that I used to make this set and the stamping plate that I used. This is the thumbnail right here. You can see that, sort of blurry, but I started out with the Lantern and Worn base coat base. And then I used this beautiful purple from Lantern and Worn. Very nice. It's a lot like Madam Glam. Same consistency, same time of cure of 30 seconds to a minute, depending on your lamp. And then I used the Madam Glam Soak Off No Wipe Top Coat. I like the no wipe, especially when you're going around the crystals, and then you don't have to wipe it. I used the clear jelly stamper plate, CJS99 in Paisley Princess. It is beautiful, and they had an example of a set of nails on the website that convinced me to get this plate, and it was just beautiful. So I'll pop that picture in right there. This is the Lantern and Worn stamper. I love it, as you can see. But it has been well loved, well used. And then Clear Jelly Stamper has their own stamping polishes. I use this one at 037. Beautiful blue. It has like a shimmer to it, and it's beautiful. I used 0556, and it is a beautiful brown, chocolatey type shimmer nail polish. These stamp beautifully. 051. This is gorgeous. Love that. This is so versatile with just about everything. And I use 039, this beautiful blue. Now these nail polishes give you time to stamp. There were times when I did hesitate and I was slow, and they still picked up beautifully. They still stamped beautifully. They're very forgiving. They're very small also, but just they're beautiful polishes. And then I had this kit of crystals right here, and I applied them with this brush on pink nail glue. And I love the brush on nail glue because I would just undo this, and I will use a pair of tweezers and just tap it on the brush, the crystal, and then place it where I want it, and it adheres quickly and no sliding. So that's how I adhere these. And then I just use the Madam Glam no wipe top coat to go over and around the gems, and as you can see, they turned out nice. I used the gel base on these because of them, a gel base being very forgiving. There are many times when I made a mistake, I could just wipe it off and my base was still nice. So I love using both mediums of nail polish and gel. It's a wonderful system. So thank you. And you know what, for Christmas, if you want to do gifts that are homemade and DIY for your friends and family, press-on nails is awesome. These are for my mom, and we have basically the same size hands. And so what I did was just made 10 of them to where even if some don't quite fit very well, she can use several of them as accent nails. So thank you for being here, and enjoy your wonderful December day, and we will see you later.
What are you doing? You're just having so much fun, aren't ya? Look at you! Totally dead to the world. You okay? Hey, kitty. What you up to? What you up to? I'm taking your picture. Oh, that was a yawn.